MaterialCotton. ColorMoon. BrandTouched by Nature. StyleOrganic Cotton Swaddle, Receiving and Multi-Purpose Blanket. Blanket FormSwaddle. Product dimensions 40L x 40W. 100% organic cotton. Imported. Super soft organic cotton swaddle blanket. Sized generously at 40 by 40 inches. Stretchable to swaddle baby comfortably. Touched by Nature offers a variety of organically made items for your precious little one. Made of the highest quality 100% organic cotton, these blankets are soft to the touch on your baby's skin. These blankets are generously sized at 40 by 40 inches and is perfect for swaddling, tummy time, stroller and car seat cover, or simply to keep baby warm and snug. These blankets are not made with any fire retardants or chemicals. Top reviews from the United States. Great to as blanket and swaddle. Loved this blanket with my first. Bought another one because my second likes to be double swaddled and this blanket does the trick. Usually not a fan of green, but I have to say this celery color is real pretty in person.